Alright, so naganap na nga yung SB19 first pitch White Sox game sa Chicago, man. Si Josh pala. Si Josh yung nasa thumbnail. What the? Let's go! Eto na pare. SB19 makes history with ceremonial first pitch. Sila ata yung first Filipino group na gumawa nito ever. SB19 lang malakas, man. SB19 lang malakas. Let's go. If you love SB19, subscribe to the channel. Let's check it out. SB19. I'm proud of you, dude. Proud of you, dudes. Let's go. Congratulations. You deserve it. I'm very happy to see this. Thank you so much for representing the Philippines amazingly and with pride. Congratulations na agad, man. Let's go. Tapos Gento yung naka-play na music doon.
SB19
Pre, sinasabi ko, hindi basta-bastang makakapag-pitch dito unless sikat ka. Unless you matter, unless you have, you are huge, man. This is a big deal. Dapat lang kasi 3-peat na tayo sa Billboard Fan Army. Pang-apat na ngayong taon, atin din yan, boy. Let's go.
Josh's ceremonial first pitch throw at the Chicago White Sox baseball game.
Boom, 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 boom.
Here's Josh getting ready for the ceremonial
Ikaw
first
sa
pitch.
Gagi.
SB19 led by
Josh 26. Scam guys. Scam. Josh 26. Scam yan. Mali yung edad sa likod. Dapat 18. Pare. I guess 2026 ata yan. Nung bakit nakalagay yung 26 dyan. Is because it's the year of SB19. That's why. Pero dapat 18 yan. Kasi 18 years old pa lang yan si Josh. Ano ba?
Josh Cullen makes history as the first Filipino group to throw the ceremonial first pitch for a
The
major
first Filipino group, di ba?
baseball game.
That's good. Aww.
Practice pa lang sa mascot, ang lakas na ng ano. Ba't ang lakas ng tapon? Practice pa lang, Joe, sa mascot. Kawawa naman yung mascot ng ano. Anong mascot ba to? Ang lakas na agad ng tapon niya.
What did you do?
Nice! Good throw, man.
Red lightsabers or no? That's another one. I don't have a son, but
Montgomery.
again, they were there when you go. Why would you do that?
I know.
But I put my vape right next to the phone.
know.
There and it was okay. Yeah, that's all right. I got to tell you, just put some in your pocket.
That's good.
And here's the exact ceremonial first pitch.
Marami, ew. Kadire. Gento is playing, man. And it actually sounds amazing. Mga sikat na kanta dapat maganda pakinggan. Gento! Oh! Let's go! Ganda! Nice! Let's go! Oh, sumayaw siya ng konti, no? Timing sa Gento yung top down niya, pitch niya. Alamin ang mga bagay-bagay. Sasabay ka sa Gento na words. What the heck? Let's go! Yeah, man.
Oh, he's getting such.
Uy, pinirmahan! Bro, lagay niyo sa 1Z office yan. Damn, what the heck? Congratulations to SB19, man. Congratulations to Josh. Congratulations to us 18. Kung hindi dahil sa ating lahat, hindi dahil sa effort ng SB19 to do good things, hindi mangyayari lahat-lahat. Also, thanks to everybody na talagang sinusulong, and we're doing our best. I'm doing my part as well, para pa mas maintindihan ng lahat ng Pinoy na, man, this is it, man. Ito yung grupo na dapat suportahan, no? Baka naman, diba? So, shout out sa SB19. I'm proud of you. Thank you so much palagi. Shout out sa 18. Thank you so much palagi, guys, sa pagsuporta sa SB19 na walang sawa. And don't forget to vote sa Billboard Fan Army. Durugin natin ang kalaban for the 4th time. And we're gonna get the 5th as well. Pati sa Billboard, dapat manalo ang SB19. So vote. I-search nyo yan, makikita nyo yung lahat. Alright, so yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Subscribe if you love SB19. Subscribe. Thank you so much. Yeah, man.